Hello and welcome back to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you 3 free music visualizers, absolutely free, no watermark when you export your videos. So the first one is musicvid.org, and I'll leave all the links down below. So here you have a few templates to choose from, and these will turn your audio or music into these waves and visualizers. So let's try this one right here. And you can load up your own music from your computer, or in this example I'll just do a sample audio, and you can replace basically everything like these images, background images, and you can play around with the particles. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. So the background particles, the spectrum, the emblem, so you can mess around with all of that. So let me just play you the example. Again, when you export, there will be no watermarks. Okay, and next up, this is another absolutely free visualizer for your audio. It's called Visi.io, and I'll leave all the links down below, and here's what it looks like. And this is a newer version of musicvid.org, and I found that musicvid.org is a little bit easier to use in my opinion, but this is a newer version with better features and effects. So go check it out. And the last one I want to show you is astrofox.io. Turn your audio into amazing videos. So this is a downloadable computer program. You have to download it, and here's how it looks like. So here's a little bit of a demo on how to use it. It's a little bit more complicated to use compared with the other two that I've showed you, but again, this is free and no watermark. And I'll leave all the links down below for you guys to check it out. Alright, I hope you find these apps useful for your music and audios. Thanks so much, and please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more tips and tricks and reviews on internet marketing, AI, and other programs.